Okay, let's try this problem. There exists an isosceles triangle such that the height is 8 and that the numerical values of its perimeter and area are the same. There exists a similar triangle whose area is twice the area of the first triangle. Find the perimeter of the second triangle. Okay, this one seems kind of easy. So we have an isosceles triangle. We don't know the base. It looks something like this. We know the height is 8. And the perimeter and area are the same. So if we call this base, we're saying that the area is equal to 1/2 8 base, or 4 base. And we're saying that the perimeter is equal to base plus, it's going to be 1/2 base squared plus 8 squared, the square root of that, times 2. 2 times the square root of 1/2 base, this, squared, plus 8 squared. So perimeter is equal to base plus 2 square root of 1/4 base squared plus 64. Can we solve for p? Take the square. Okay, so I guess this is where it's hard, because this is like a weird thing. Okay, so there's a similar triangle's area is twice the area of the first triangle. So, his area is twice the area of the first triangle. So triangle 2, area 2 is equal to 8 base. Find the perimeter of the second triangle. Okay, so perimeter of triangle 2 is equal to, it's going to be, so then that means that the base of triangle 2 is equal to just 2 base. Oh, shoot, if it's similar, then this will also be scaled the same. So it's going to be, area 2 is going to be equal to 1/2 KB times K8. So it's going to be equal to 4k squared b is equal to this. That means that 2 is equal to or 2 is equal to k squared. So the square root of 2 is equal to k. So we have 8 root 2 for the height, and root 2b for the base. So the perimeter of 2 is going to be root 2b times b, or root 2 times b, plus 2 square root, it's going to be 1/2 b squared, plus, and then this is going to be 8 root 2 squared, so it's just going to be 128. So this is our answer once we find what b is. Okay. Can I, do I know anything about b already? I know that the area is 4b. Okay. So now do we just have to solve for b, I guess? Can we say 4b is equal to b plus 2, oh yeah, here we go, 2 square root, and it's going to be the entire thing, so 3b is equal to 2 square root of the entire thing, 3 over 2b b squared is equal to, and then we get this thing, which is 1/4 b squared plus 64. So this is going to be 9 over 4 b squared is equal to 1/4 b squared plus 64. So subtract this from both sides, we get 8/4 or 2b squared is equal to 64. B is equal to the square root of 32. It's also equal to 32 is 4 times 4 times 2, so it's going to be equal to 4 root 2. So if we plug that in here, we get is equal to root 2 times 4 times root 2 plus 2 square root 1/2 times 4 root 2 squared plus 128. This cancels out with this. So find the perimeter of the second triangle. Okay. These two go to 2, so we get 8 plus 2 square root 16 plus 128. Oh, is that going to be 144? Yeah. So it's going to be 8 plus 2 times 12. 8 plus 24 is equal to 32. Let me check. Surprisingly, I got it correct. Wow. So it was actually interesting because it seemed like it'd be easy, but it was harder than it appeared. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.